Good morning, dear kids. Today I'll be taking your chapter 7 indices. Dear kids, do we know the basic laws of exponents? That if I have same base, okay, first I'll tell you this is called as base, and this, if I'm writing a raised to m, this will be called as index, exponent, power. Any of the word you can give, and this is your base. If I have suppose am and I multiplied with an, my dear kids, if there is multiplication between two common base with the different exponents, then the answer will be am plus n. If I suppose have am upon an, in that case, again I have same base with different exponents, so my answer will be am minus n. If suppose I have am and n outside the bracket, that says that m and n are in multiplication. Is that clear? If I suppose have a raised to 0, that means any number with raised to 0 will be 1. If I give you 5 raised to 0, answer is 1. If I give you 100 raised to 0, answer is 1. Then you have one more. If I give you a negative exponent, to make it positive, you have to reciprocate the number. So these are the common laws of exponent which you have done already in your grade 8th. So let's start with the topic. Problem number 1, which says evaluate. Evaluate means to find the value. You have 3 raised to 3 into 243 raised to minus 2 upon 3 into 9 minus 1 upon 3. How to evaluate this? My dear kids, 3 raised to 3, I'll keep it as it is. 243. How I'll write 243? If you know 3, if I multiply for 4 times, I'll get 243. So I'll convert that 243 into the exponent form. That is 3 raised to 4. And then I'll take this minus 2 by 3. For 9, I can write 3 square. And I'll take this minus 1 upon 3 here. Is that clear? Now we have 3 raised to 3 into, my dear kids, if you have a negative exponent, to convert it into positive, we have to reciprocate this. Yes? Or else we can also do like this. We can also do like this if you want. So it will be 3 raised to minus 8 by 3. I'll directly multiply, and then in the next step maybe I'll do the reciprocate. Okay? So that will be minus 2 upon 3. That is, I have multiplied. Got my point clear? Okay, I think यहाँ पे 3 raised to, am I correct with 3 raised to 4? 3 3 are 9 9, 3 are 27 27 into 3, 61 into 3 is to 1. Here it will be 5. I guess I have mistaken here. So it will be 5 here. In that case, you will have minus 10 upon 3. Okay. My dear kids, now if you notice, you have a common base. So if you want, you can write the common base. And as I say to the exponents, if you have multiplication in between, it will be added. So 3 plus minus 10 upon 3 plus minus 2 upon 3. Now you have to take 3, the base will be same. you have to take LCM of this. That will be 3. And here will be 9 minus 10 minus 2. That way you will get 3, and here up you will get 9 minus 10 will be minus 1, minus 1 minus 2 will be minus 3 upon 3. So here I'll get 3 raised to minus 1, and this is my answer. If you want to make it now positive, you can put it 1 upon 3 raised to 1. That is your final answer is 1 upon 3. How does 1 upon 3 came? Because this negative exponent I have made it positive, just like that. Because you have the identity a raised to minus m will be 1 upon a raised to m. Is that clear? Next, problem number 2 we have 5 raised to minus 4 into 125 5 upon 3 divided by 25 minus 1 upon 2. Dear kids, 5 raised to minus 4 को मैं वैसे ही रखूँगी. 125 I'll make it 5 raised to 3, and this 5 upon 3 will be here. Divided by 25, can I make it 5 raised to 2? And this minus 1 upon 2 will be here. Now if I open the things, I'll get something like this. You can eliminate this. So you will get 5 raised to minus 4, 5 raised to 5 divided by 5 raised to minus 1. Got my point clear? Now the one which are in multiplication, I will add the exponent and I will write divide by minus 1. 5 divided by minus 1. So it will be 5 minus 4 plus 5 will be 1 and divide by 5 raised to minus 1. 5 raised to 1 divided by 5 raised to minus 1. Now if you have division, you add the you subtract the exponents. So I have subtracted 1 minus minus 1. Why this minus 1? Because number 1 is having minus sign. And why this minus? Because if you have same base with the different exponents, different powers, and they are in division, in that case you have to subtract the powers, subtract the exponents. So you will get 5 raised to 2. So your answer is 25. Clear? Similarly, you have your problem number 3. You can take it as homework. I'll jump on to problem number 4, which says 7 raised to 0 into 25 raised to minus 3 upon 2 minus 5 raised to minus 3. Dear kids, any base with exponent 0, the answer is 1. For 25, can I write 5 square and this multiplied minus 3 by 2? Again 5 minus 3. Now you can eliminate this and it will be something like this. Are you getting my point clear? Now if you notice, you have multiplied, you will get both of them like this. Now my dear kids, can I make them positive by reciprocating? तो जो एक्सपोनेंट -3 था दोनों तरफ, मैंने उसको पॉजिटिव बना दिया रेसिप्रोकेट करके. सो आई एम ओपनिंग द थिंग्स, सो आई गेट समथिंग लाइक दिस. My dear kids, so it is 1 minus 1 upon 125, that is 0 upon 125, and the final answer is 0. 0 upon anything is 0. Clear? Next we'll take problem number 5, which says 16 upon 81 minus 3 upon 4, 49 upon 9, 3 upon 2, divide by 343 upon 216, 2 by 3. My dear kids, if I open 16 and make it into the form of exponent, I'll get 2 raised to 4. And if I open 81, I'll get 3 raised to 4. और उसके साथ minus 3 by 4. 49 if I open, I'll get 7 का square, and 9 if I open, I'll get 3 का square, so it is 3 upon 2. Divide by 343, we can take it 7 का cube, and 216 we can take it 6 का cube, and exponent 2 by 3. Dear kids, now many kids keep on asking कि 343 का आपने 7 का क्यूब ही क्यों लिया, आपने 2 को या 3 को 5 टाइम्स करके क्यों नहीं फाइंड किया. So you have to check here it is 3. So I'll prefer taking those squares कि ताकि 7 का ताकि यहाँ पे जो नंबर फॉर्म आए उसका एक्सपोनेंट 3 हो जाए और ताकि वो कट हो जाए. यहाँ पे 2 था तो मैंने कोशिश की कि 49 7 का स्क्वायर ताकि वो 2 कट हो जाएगा यहाँ से. क्लियर? Okay. My dear kids, now this minus 3 upon 4. Now if I want, I can take 2 upon 3 and this 4 दोनों के साथ है तो मैंने एक कॉमन 4 लगा दिया और उनके साथ है minus 3 upon 4. 7 upon 3 एक कॉमन 2 लगा दिया दोनों के साथ और 3 upon 2. कॉमन 2 मतलब उन्हीं का दोनों का 2 ऊपर लेकर गई. डिवाइड बाय 7 by 6 ये 3 इन दोनों का ये कॉमन लगा दिया इंटू 2 by 3. So this 4 and this 4 I can eliminate, this 2 and this 2 I can eliminate, this 3 and this 3 I can eliminate. So in a way I'll get 2 upon 3 raised to minus 3, 7 upon 3 raised to 3, divide by 7 upon 6 raised to 2. Now the exponent, I'll erase this part. Dear kids, now the negative exponent is there. So to make it positive, I'll reciprocate this number. That is 2 upon 3 will become 3 upon 2. And after reciprocating, your exponent will become positive. जो minus 3 था plus 3 बन जाएगा. 7 upon 3 तो plus 3 के साथ ही था. 7 upon 6 plus 2 के साथ ही था. Yes? Got my point clear? Once you got this, now you can open up if you want. You can do like this. Is it a negative exponent given in the question for question 5? I don't think so. Okay, anyways, you can open now 3 for 3 times. Multiply with 7 for 3 times. And upon 2 for 3 times. And 3 for 3 times, and divided by 7 for 2 times and 6 for 2 times. यहाँ से अगर आपका कुछ कट हो रहा है तो कट करते जाइए. So you will get 7 3 times and upon 2. And do you know if we change this sign into multiplication, I have to reciprocate this. Yes? So I'll reciprocate. So now I am taking it up. ये आपका कट हो गया. ओके, बाकी ये क्या बचा 7 इंटू 7 इंटू 7 अपॉन 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2. डिवाइड को मैंने मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर दिया और इसको रेसिप्रोकेट कर दिया 6 इंटू 6 7 इंटू 7. नाउ 7 7 कट हो गया एंड 2 1 3 2 1 3. So your final answer is 7 into 3 into 3 upon this 2 is remaining. So your final answer is 63 upon 2. You can convert into decimal, that is 31.5. Is that clear? Next, I'll jump on to problem number 2, simplify. You have 8x cube divided by 125y cube, and here we have 2 upon 3. 8x क्यूब, क्या मैं उसको 2x द होल क्यूब लिख सकती हूँ? डिवाइड बाय 125y क्यूब, क्या उसको मैं 5y द होल क्यूब लिखूँ? एंड 2 अपॉन 3 दोनों के साथ है. अगर 2x और 5y को कॉमन ले लिया, उनका 3 कॉमन ऊपर की तरफ ले लिया और ये 2/3 यहाँ पे लेकर आए. सो हियर 3 is cut. So I'll get 2x upon 5y the whole square. That will be 4x square upon 25y square. And that's your answer. Clear? Second का second is a plus b minus 1. अभी जो -1 बाहर है वो a के साथ भी है, वो b के साथ भी है, तो इनको रेसिप्रोकेट करना पड़ेगा ताकि उनका एक्सपोनेंट पॉजिटिव आ जाए. जैसे ही रेसिप्रोकेट कर दिया, आई गॉट 1 अपॉन a रेज टू 1 मतलब 1 अपॉन a, 1 अपॉन b रेज टू 1 मतलब 1 अपॉन b. अब मैं एलसीएम कर दूंगी, b यहाँ पे जाएगा, a यहाँ पे आएगा. सो दिस इज योर फाइनल आंसर. दिस फर्दर ओके इसके साथ मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है a माइनस 1 प्लस b माइनस 1. I'll erase this problem and do it again for you because I think I have taken the half part only. Okay, so we have your second question is a plus b the whole minus 1 multiply with a minus 1 plus b minus 1. अब ये होल -1 है, इसको पॉजिटिव करने के लिए नीचे ले आओ, तो इसका एक्सपोनेंट -1 प्लस हो गया. इनको सिंगल नीचे ले आओ ताकि इनके एक्सपोनेंट्स भी प्लस हो जाएं. नाउ दिस विल बी सेम एंड हियर इट इज़ प्लस, सो आई कैन टेक द एलसीएम, सो आई विल गेट समथिंग लाइक दिस. नाउ यू कैन eliminate this and your answer is 1 upon AB. Is that clear? Okay kids, I'll stop it here. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. God bless.